We found our Motorhead of the Week at Steel Rubber at an auto show in July. It's John Davis, owner of a great-looking 1940 Ford Deluxe. He actually bought it from a former NASCAR driver a few years ago. The car has all the modern bells and whistles, power steering, power brakes, a tilt wheel, cruise control, and my favorite, air conditioning. And those things, along with a 350 small block under the hood, he says make it a joy to drive all over the place. John says the original builder stayed true to the original design by keeping the body lines, and he even used period-correct materials for the interior. When John's not driving this beauty around, he volunteers at Veterans Community Alliance in Lincolnton, North Carolina. They provide low-cost or no-cost auto repairs for veterans and their families if they're in need. Now, VCA runs solely on donations and hard work from volunteers like John Davis. You know, it's easy to be our Motorhead of the Week. All you have to do is drop us a note at motorheadgarage.tv and tell us your story. It's also easy to find the latest aftermarket gear for your vehicle without leaving your living room. Just tune in to Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com every week. We hope you do it again next week because we're going to be here. Until then, we'll see you.